big pro tip here is forward is your friend. A lot of people really want to shut these horses down and slow them down. If we run into issue, I'm just going to drive him forward. Get one more circle in here before we drive out. If there's any issues, you'll see me kissing to him and adding that pressure to get him to go forward, because when he goes forward, he's going to straighten up. What I do not want is I don't want him backing up. So right there, when there was a question about forward, I touched him on the butt with the reins. Now I'm going to shoot for the middle of that gate. There we go, made it right out of the gate.